Good afternoon, everyone. My topic for today is all about volume by shell, section 6.4, exercises number 66. So, a spherical cup by three methods. Consider the cup of thickness h that has been sliced from a sphere of radius r. So, makita na to here sa figure. Verify that the volume of cup is pi h squared times the quantity of 3r minus h divided by 3 using the first method is the washer method, second the shell method, and third the general slicing method. Check for consistency among three methods and check the special cases h is equals to r and h is equals to 0. To verify the volume of a spherical cup using the three different calculus method, we first define the geometry of the sphere in a coordinate system. So let the sphere be centered at the origin 0 and 0 and 0 with the equation x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to r squared. The spherical cup of thickness h is the region of the sphere where r minus h is less than or equal to z less than or equal to r. So the first method we are going to use is the washer or desk method. In this method, we slice the cup perpendicular to the z-axis. Each slice is a circular desk, a washer with an inner radius of 0. Radius of the desk x from the equation x squared plus z squared is equals to r squared. The radius is x is equals to square root of r squared minus z squared. So area of the desk A of z is equals to pi x squared is equals to pi times the quantity of r squared minus z squared. So we get the volume integral v is equals to r minus h to r of pi times the quantity of r squared minus g squared dg is equals to pi bracket r squared z minus z cubed divided by 3 from r minus h to r. So we have here the evaluation. We get v is equals to pi, the quantity of r cubed minus r cubed divided by 3 minus the quantity of r squared times the quantity of r minus h minus the quantity of r minus h cubed divided by 3. So we have v is equals to pi 2r cubed divided by 3 minus the quantity of r cubed minus r squared h minus r squared minus 3r squared h plus 3rh squared minus h cubed divided by 3. So, gagamit rata here og distributive property diri nga part. Ay, hala, balik. So, simplifying inside the brackets leads to pi times the quantity of 2r squared divided by 3 minus 3r cubed minus 3r squared h minus r cubed plus 3r squared h minus 3r rh squared plus h cubed divided by 3 is equals to pi over 3 times the quantity of 3r h squared minus h cubed is equals to pi h squared times the quantity of 3r minus h divided by 3. So, na-get na nato ni siya ni answer. So na-get nato ni siya nga answer na gi-apply nato si washer method. So, next, let's proceed to shell method. For the shell method, we rotate a region around the z-axis. We consider a vertical strip at distance x from the g-axis extending from z is equals to square root of r squared minus x squared down to the plane z is equals to r minus h. So we have here radius of the shell, we have x, height of the shell, we have h of x is equal to is equals to square root of r squared minus x squared minus the quantity of r minus h. So bounds for x, the cup starts where z is equals to r minus h, so x squared plus the quantity of r minus h squared is equals to r squared. Then it simplifies to x squared is equals to 2rh minus xh squared. Thus x ranges from 0 to square root of 2rh minus h squared. So the volume integral, we get v is equals to 0 to square root of 2rh minus h squared, 2 pi x times the quantity of square root of r squared minus x squared minus the quantity of r minus h dx. And integrating 2 pi x, square root of r squared minus x squared, using u is equals to r squared minus x squared, and 2 pi x times the quantity of r minus h yields the same results as the pi h squared times the quantity of 3r minus h divided by 3. So next, we have the last method, which is the general slicing method. So from the volume integral, we have the integral of r minus h to r of a of z dg is equals to the integration of r minus h to r pi of r squared minus g squared dz. As shown in part A, this evaluates to pi h squared times the quantity of 3r minus h divided by 3. The consistency here are all three methods yield the same expression as the volume is equals to pi h squared, the quantity of 3r minus h divided by 3. So the special case here, h is equals to r, or the hemisphere, we get the volume is equals to pi r squared times the quantity 3r minus r divided by 3. So, himo naman si h is equals to r. So, si h diri giilisan na natong r is equals to pi r squared times the quantity of 2r divided by 3 is equals to 2/3 pi r cube. So, we get the volume 2 over 3 pi r cube. So, this is exactly half the volume of a sphere, 4 over 3 pi r cube, which is correct for a hemisphere. So, the special case, h is equal to 0, we get V is equals to, or the volume is equals to pi 0 squared times the quantity of 3r minus 0 divided by 3 is equals to 0. This is consistent as the cup with 0 thickness has 0 volume. So that's it. That's it all for today. Thank you for listening.